I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by reproducing the problem step by step so you know what fails and when. Disable browser extensions and try an incognito window. This isolates cache or plugin interference. Next, note the exact error text and time. This lets you match logs. If you use an app or API, capture the request payload and headers. Once done, make sure you have app ID, access token status, and account permissions visible. Those values explain many query failures and guide the next fixes. Now dig into the how and why of the failure. Check the access token. If expired or lacking scopes, the API will reject queries. Use the access token debugger or your SDK to inspect scopes and expiry. Then validate the graph API URL, parameter names, and field formatting. A typo or removed field causes a query error. Also confirm your app's role and granted permissions. Rate limits or suspended permissions often explain intermittent failures. Once verified, adjust token or query accordingly. Apply the chosen fix. Refresh or exchange the access token, correct field names, or request missing permissions. Then run the same action immediately. Test on the original device and a clean environment to ensure the error is gone. Consistent success proves the root cause is resolved. If issues persist, capture full request/response logs, error codes, timestamps, and sequence of steps. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, roll back recent app changes and retest, because recent deployments often introduce subtle query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.